Hi, I'm Brian Strickland with the Mono Pioneer Eclipse. In this video, we're going to look at the 450 GP, a walk-behind propane-powered machine designed for grinding and polishing hard floor surfaces. The 450 GP is designed with the operator in mind: simple, powerful, and effective. This machine can be used on most hard floor surfaces, including concrete, terrazzo, marble, and stone and quarry tiles. Let's look at some of the features and let's see this machine in operation. The 450 GP is equipped with a powerful 603cc engine. The hex head driver technology produces consistent and uniform results with all types of diamond tooling. The rockback design provides easy access for the installation and replacement of grinding tools. The head design allows for close wall access. Removable weights provide up to 500 pounds of down pressure. The side port dust tube allows for vacuum attachment. The 9-gallon onboard water supply makes wet grinding easy. The telescoping handle adjusts for operator comfort. Now, before we see this machine in operation, let's talk a little bit about propane safety. Failure to properly operate propane-powered equipment could result in injury or even death, so it's important that you fully read and understand the machine's operator's manual. There are two main areas of concern when operating propane-powered equipment: carbon monoxide poisoning and fire-related incidents. Let's take a look at some basic safety guidelines for each. First, carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas that is the result of incomplete combustion. At Pioneer Eclipse, we go to great lengths to optimize the performance of our machines for indoor applications and to eliminate the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. Always adhere to the following guidelines. Allow only qualified and trained personnel to operate equipment. Perform regular maintenance on the machine, including the regular cleaning of the machine's dust and air filters. Never alter or reconstruct the fuel system. If you experience headaches, dizziness, or nausea when operating propane-powered equipment, immediately turn the machine off and get to a well-ventilated area. Always wear a CO detection badge or have an ambient air CO monitor in use. Never work alone and periodically check on your coworkers. Never leave a machine running unattended. Have the emissions checked and documented every 3 months. Operate the machine only in well-ventilated areas. Propane is also an odorless, tasteless, and colorless gas. An odorant is added to give it its distinct and pungent odor. It's also flammable, so the risk of fire and explosion does exist. Let's take a look at some basic safety guidelines for handling propane. Use propane cylinders that are constructed in accordance with your local authorities. Pioneer Eclipse safe fill cylinders meet these requirements for North America. Propane cylinders should only be filled by authorized propane dealers. Only fill propane cylinders to 80% capacity. Never overfill propane cylinders. Store propane cylinders in accordance with all local and federal regulations. Never smoke around propane cylinders and keep cylinders at least 10 feet away from any ignition source. Follow these basic guidelines to assist with the safe operation and handling of propane-powered floor equipment. Pioneer Eclipse offers a full propane certification course, and we highly recommend that any operator of propane-powered equipment achieve this certification. For more information on this training class or for copies of operators' manuals, visit us at pioneereclipse.com. To transport the 450 GP, follow these steps. Place 3 weight plates into the storage pins on each side of the machine, leaving 2 weight plates in the front position. Place the handle in the transport position and lock into place. Use the foot bracket for leverage and tilt the machine onto its wheels. From this position, you can easily move the 450 GP. Before operating the machine, conduct a visual inspection of the air filter and dust filter. Clean or replace as needed. If you are dry grinding, clean the dust filter every hour. Place the machine in the pad changing position and check the condition of the diamond holders before operation. Do not operate if the disc holders are damaged. Remove pad holders by quickly spinning the left pad in the clockwise direction and the right pad in a counterclockwise direction. Install the diamond drive plates by aligning the 3 pins with the holes in the mounting bracket. Turn the left driver counterclockwise and the right driver clockwise. Make sure they are locked in place. Install the appropriate grinding tools into the driver cups. Grinding tools and driver cups utilize hook and loop technology, so no tools are needed. For installation of coating removal tools, refer to the operator's manual. To replace the grinding tools, simply pull the driver cups from the driver disc and then replace the grinding tools. You may need to use a screwdriver to separate the hook and loop that holds the grinding tool and driver cup together. For operation of the 450 GP, follow these steps. First, lower the machine head to the floor. Set the handle to a comfortable operating position and move the weight plates to the front storage position. Use the supplied level to verify the machine is level. If adjustments are needed, rotate the level adjustment T-handle located at the rear of the machine. If dry grinding, use the vacuum hose port to attach your vacuum to the machine. If you are wet grinding, fill the 9-gallon water tank using the tank inlet. Install the propane tank and open the propane tank valve. Set the throttle to the slow position and turn the key to the start position for no more than 10 seconds. Once the engine has started, allow it to warm up for 30 seconds before advancing the throttle to the appropriate speeds for your application. Use the reference chart located next to the tachometer to determine the proper throttle position for your application. Toggle the driver disc button to the on position and engage the bail handle to start the grinding process. If you are wet grinding, use the plunger valve to set the water flow to the desired amount. To stop grinding, release the bail handle and toggle the driver disc button to the off position. To turn the engine off, move the throttle to the slow position and close the valve on the propane tank. The engine will stop when the fuel lines are empty. Once the engine has stopped, turn the key to the off position. Now that's just a brief overview of the 450 GP. For more information on this machine, contact your Amano Pioneer Eclipse sales representative or visit us online at pioneereclipse.com. Thanks for watching.